Hey, what's up, you guys? Back for another unboxing, and today we're gonna unbox the video smart lock. That's right, this is a 3-in-1 lock. You can unlock it 3 different ways: the normal way with the little knob, by fingerprint, or by app. You can totally control it, and it has the camera on it right there, so that's nice. The doorbell with the camera on it. I love it. So let's get it unboxed and see what we got there. Open this baby up. Of course, right at the back you got the user manual. Make sure you definitely read that. You gotta make sure you install it right. Definitely read this. Do not discard it. Also, it gives you a nice little diagram, so you can put this up against your door to make sure all your cutouts are perfect. So make sure you definitely keep track of that. They give you a screwdriver. They give you a base to go inside your door. You have a USB charging right here, so if your power runs out, you can just put an external power on it and charge it up. Inside of here, they give you a whole bunch of screws and stuff, so all the screws you'll ever need right here. And move this back. Inside of here is your battery. There's your battery right there that goes there, so make sure you definitely keep track of that and charge it up. So you got your battery, so basically that's a go here. You can charge your battery up just like that. Next up, let's open up. You got your main part that goes right on the door. You know, you have your bolt right here, so this will go in the bolt. Just read the instructions. Next up, let's open this up. Ooh, what we got here? Oh, here's the part right here. This goes on the inside of your door. Here's the knob right here, on and off button, and here's all the internals there. So definitely make sure you read all the instructions to hook that up. The last piece we have here is the main piece. There's the back side of it. I'm not gonna go into details, but here basically what you'll see is you have a cover here. This is your cover, so you can use an old style key, so just like a regular door. You can close that up. You have your camera here, so once you set it up, the camera will be right here. On top, you have your fingerprint, so you just do like that. You can open the door, and here's your doorbell. Once you hook the battery up, you have your doorbell right there, and then you just do it like that. So you have your doorbell, fingerprint open, camera, and it comes with a nice little app. The app allows you to control everything. So make sure you definitely check this out. A smart lock right here. Here's all the components that come in it. You definitely need this. Things are going crazy out there in the world. You want top-notch security. What's better than a door knob, a door camera, sensor, all in one, 3-in-1. Let's go.